H-O-U-S-E. I see things that nobody else sees.
This is an unusual setup. I know, but I just wanted to go ahead and do this YouTube picture right now because I know I won't ever do it after today. Therefore, what's up? What's poppin'? What's good? What's happening? It's your girl Nunu, and I'm back with the action. What's up, Royalty Gang? It's your girl Princess Nunu, and I'm back with the Nunu. Today, as you can tell by the title, I don't know what I named it, but as you can tell by the title, that's what we're doing today. And it's hot outside, but I just wanted to start it off here. Make sure you give the video a like, comment, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the royalty game because we all some royal babies. Period. I look pro. Anyway, I know I'm here messed up. I don't care. Anyway, I just got home and I ain't got that much time to get ready. So yeah, I got a lot of energy. Crackhead energy. But what am I trying to say? Oh, I'm gonna come back when I, look like something. Looking like something. All right, no lashes. My natural glow. Okay, so I'm done and I'm about to go. But first, let me show y'all the slight fit for today. Nothing, magnificent, but we got side flex, but I like this shirt, oversized t-shirt. The biker shorts with the white sandals, with the Coach bag. Excuse me. But yeah, now it's time to go. I almost forgot the stuff that I need, but I'm gonna grab it. Ooh. But I'm at my cousin's house now. I don't know where she went. Let me go find her. Found her. Hey. We took a carriage to Beale Street, and from Beale Street we walked to Tumley Park. And when I get excited, I forget to record, so my bad. But when we got home, I took my shower, we ate pizza, and we watched Halloween. We set up the tent during the day, and I forgot to record that too. But I set up the fan in there and power outlets and made sure we were okay. And I actually slept good that night.
It's morning time, y'all. I actually forgot to record. I forgot to record, but this is the tent. Wait a minute, I'm gonna show y'all inside. It's all inside. And I'm gonna pull that fan back out because it's getting on me. But yeah, it's probably like an hour to put this all up. And this all look in the morning. Ooh! Wait a minute. I'm probably gonna sit in here. I got up because it was hot. It's hot in here. And I just woke up. Excuse my morning face. That's leaning. I got mosquito bites from walking yesterday.
What happened right there?
Mosquito bat.
What was it?
Mosquito bat.
I'm hungry! I'm hungry. I'm gonna close out this video when I get home. Or do I need to close out this video when I get home?
It was at this moment that he knew.
I need to stop doing that. Anyway.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give the video a like and comment. Comment what I should do next. It might be Smacker Facts with my best friend. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Make sure you come back to see it all. Bye, Royalty Gang.
I see things that nobody else sees.